People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. As much as we think we're doing a great job, hearing about great experiences like this makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what everyone has to say about us. The most important thing for us is that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We are glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.